It's a bit dark, not very, very dark. Right, so when you're saying hello or good afternoon to Mummy, you say Masikati.
Masikati.
Well done, Mama, which is obviously Mummy.
Mama.
And then you also have to go on your knees. Can you go on your knees? And then you clap your hands, you know, like when you're saying Maitabasa. Yes. So then you say Masikati, Mama.
Kati.
Yes. You also go on your knees. Go close to your sister. And go close to your sister. And say Masikati,
Kati.
Mama.
Baba. Mama.
And you clap your hands while you say it. Clap your hands. Masikati,
Masikati.
Mama.
Mama.
And then I'll say Masikati vanangu, which is good afternoon, my children. And then you say Maswera
Maswera.
say.
Sorry.
So when you say Maswera say, it means how has your day been? And then I will say Taswera Maswerao. And that means I've had a good day. And how was your day? And then, little Miss Active, you say Taswera. Can you say Taswera?
Taswera.
Yes, but you have to stay on your knees the whole time while you do it.
Taswera.
Well done, girls. Do you want to learn how to say Mangwanani, Mama? To say good morning, Mummy?
Yeah.
Mangwanani. Can you say Mangwa? Can you say Mangwanani? Ma. Ngwa.
Ma.
Ngwa.
Ma.
Ngwa.
Me.
Yes, ma.
Ma.
Ngwa.
Na.
Ngwa.
Yeah.
Na.
Na.
Ni.
Ni.
Okay, now try saying it.
Tuana.
Say ma. Ngwa. Ngwa. Say ngwa.
No.
Ngwa.
Put it on the home.
Kazuwa ishewe, kazuwa isamanyanga, mukahuro, mutsika panotinhira, mune nyanga dzinotunga pasi dzisingatyoke, makweva miti, veruzhinji vanokutyayi. Aiwa, kazuwa ibaba, makadini?